Cleanse your intestines and your colon after 2 weeks with this simple drink. One of the best things you can do for your health is to make sure that your gut is healthy. Colon cleansing can help improve your body's overall health and wellness, and may even reduce your risk for colon cancer. There is nothing more efficacious and safer than a natural homemade tip to cleanse the intestines and your body. In today's video, we show you a magical drink to boost indigestions and eliminate excess residues. From there, clean the intestine, kidneys, and liver and colon. Before following the recipe, you should remember that for maximum effect, you need to persistently and regularly consume this drink twice or 3 times a day for about 2 or 3 weeks. Ingredients: 1 apple, chia seeds, flax seeds. Both flax and chia seeds contain high insoluble and soluble fiber, which helps relieve digestion. 1 cup of water, honey. Prepare: peel, remove seeds, and cut apples into cubes. Apple is rich in soluble and insoluble fiber that not only help the useful gut bacteria thrive longer but also speed up the movement and processing of waste, helping prevent gastrointestinal blockage and constipation or reduce bowel movements. Add apples to the blender. Add 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 cup of water. Turn on the blender until the mixture is almost smooth. Pour the mixture into the cup. Then add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to the mixture. Now, your delicious purified drink is ready. Consume twice or 3 times a day for about 2 or 3 weeks. More effective if combined with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Only by the natural ingredients in this drink, your gut will be much healthier. Therefore, your health and generally of all your organs will greatly improve. If you find this video useful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to get more other healthcare recipes and tips.